Hello everybody, my name is Rama Tandon. I'm a dyslexia therapist. I work with children with learning difficulties and disabilities. Today my topic is sounds of the alphabets. It's also called phonemes. Phonemes are the smallest unit of sounds that each letter makes. And the knowledge of these sounds actually is very important because this will predict how well your child's reading ability skill will develop. So there are 26 letters and I'm going to start with the basic sounds. Although the 26 letters actually make about 44 sounds, which I will discuss in my next video. What I do is normally when I'm sitting with a child and introducing the sounds to the child, I show them pictures of some animals. For example, I'll show them a cat and then I'll tell them that, can you tell me what it is? The child will say cat. I say, great, that's the name of the animal. Now let's say what sound does the cat make? Meow would be the reply. Similarly, all the letters have their own names and their sounds. So today we are going to begin with all the sounds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pause a little bit after each sound so that the child can watch this video and actually practice the sounds along with this video. I'm going to show you the pictures along with each and every letter. It is extremely important that we attach a keyword with the letter sound because it helps the child to recall the sound immediately. So we'll start. My first letter, apple, A. Ball, B. Cup, K. Dog, D. Egg, E. Fan, F. Grapes, G. Hat, H. India, I. Jug, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Net, N. Orange, O. Parrot, P. Queen, Q. Rat, R. Sun, S. Tree, T. Umbrella, A. Violin, V. Water, W. Box, X. Yellow, Y. Zip, Z. So these are the materials that you must use when you introduce the sounds to your child. It's very important that the child understands that we use our teeth, our lips and our tongue when we say a sound. And that's why you must have noticed that there are certain sounds like N, M, where they need to see in the mirror how the sounds are formed. Also, it's very important we do not say F or we do not say V because F is actually two sounds, F and A put together. So that's when you're spelling, you're saying fun, and it's not These are the mirrors that I use. I hope this information was useful. Please feel free to like, subscribe and share this video. Also leave your comments or any questions that you have for me. I would be most happy to work on my videos or be able to help you with any related information with this. My details are all in the description below. Thank you and see you soon. Bye bye.